Welcome back, TechNavers. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and hands-on for the Neffos N1. Priced at Rm1099, the Neffos N1 goes for a premium metal build, which is slim, solid, and rather slippery. The matte back is a bit of a smudge magnet, but the 12 megapixel monochrome plus 12 megapixel color dual rear cameras are flush to the back. Other standout features are the mute switch on the side, MediaTek Helio P25 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, with space for a microSD. Features which you don't often see in an around Rm1K priced smartphone. The N1 is quite zippy with fairly smooth gaming and nice full HD multimedia playback.
Let's do this.
The cameras work well for now, and you can see the results in a few of our camera samples here. But we'll have more to tell you in the Neffos N1 review, so stay tuned for that at TechNave.com, and thank you very much for watching.